Hello and good day. Today we are talking about the risk of investment in Georgia based on my 14 years experience in real estate in GCC and Georgia. And also, if you have read the Millionaire Master Plan book, you will know that if you are an investor and looking to start with a small investment to big empire, we need clear plan and this careful risk assessment, not just a dream of profit. And this is my role as investment advisor. This video is not to scare you away, but to present the facts and the numbers so smart investors can navigate the risks and know who can invest and make money, build empire, and who shouldn't. Number one risk is overpriced properties. The first and the biggest risk is high prices. Yes, the project is good. Yes, the project is amazing. It's 5-star hotel and it has high occupancy rate. But the price per square meter, if has reached to its peak, how you can make capital appreciation or yield net to your profit? Maximum, if the square meter has risen above $2,000, it will not bring for you more than 7% ROI, and also it's very hard to resell because Georgia's market is not known for high ticket prices. People invest in Georgia and they know that they compare the prices and they know the price should be minimal. So the maximum you can get for the best revenue for square meter in Batumi not exceed $2,000, maximum 2,200 if it's like near the sea. Second, Tbilisi $2,500, and it needs why it's expensive. So from Batumi we will say 2,000 to $2,200 per square meter. Tbilisi 2,000 to 2,500 is bit resale margin because of it's near metro and it has high demand. Risk number two, ready via under construction and location. Under construction units are usually better for both short-term and long-term profit. Why? Because all the building will not compete with the new construction. Georgia, for the last decade, it has been building a building but with low quality. In Batumi, some old 8 years building feels like 80 because the quality. So the newer project is better, and the lower prices, it will be good for your investment. Short-term investment tip in Batumi: to choose the units for maximum 400 to 500 meters, 10 minutes walk from the sea because it has high demand area, new boulevard and urban district. Not like if we go to like middle of the Batumi, just this house, this area, there is a lot of ORB construction buildings and it will decrease in high sale and also for the rental value. Number three, resorts and seasonality when you buy through your emotions. As you know, resorts has high rental income, but very seasonal, very limited seasonal. Example, Godauri Ski Resort, even if it's a 5-star project, it will for sale, it's very difficult. People are looking for Tbilisi and Batumi, Gonyo also. Risk number four, the developer. The developer is one of the biggest risks. Some developers can legally change unit sizes and after contract details. So especially risky when you are unknown developer. Solution: choose a reputable developer with a proven track record. For example, the developer that it has been years in the market and also care about the management. Also, one advice for off-plan: if you are going to get off-plan project, what I do as investment advisor, I visit the project multiple times, check if the construction progress, transfers, strategic plan. So investment required calculated patience, and this is my job. Number five, risk 5 is misleading and marketing numbers. Rental yield 15%, guaranteed return 20%, and you can get a capital appreciation 20% per year. It's not here. It's not real. Because yes, it can reach to 13%, 15%, but it's total value, not net to you. The net maximum you can get if it's under very good management, 12 to 13%. Because rental yield is not just a number on paper. True yield depends on management, location, unit type, entry and exit times. Smart investors always calculate the best case scenario and the worst case scenario exit plan. If we just focus on, wow, the fancy is here, we will not make money while it's coming bad times. So my job is to calculate every risk and to know how to exit plan. For example, we will choose project not only depends on tourism. If something wrong happened, your property will stop. We also choose project that near schools, near universities, so it will be rented all year, even if there is no like this season, or if it's not rented from tourists, it can be rented by locals. Risk number 6, emotional buying, and this is happening especially in resort. Many investors fall in emotional buying, see view, beautiful scenario, famous developer, but resale potential and the occupancy rate, the price also per square meter, make difference. So it's sometimes extremely beautiful resort resale potential is very low. So we need to check moderate appearance, high occupancy, easy resale. This is the rule. Always prioritize numbers over looks. Risk number 7, unrealistic 2026 expectation. Because we know in the past Georgia was about quick profit, but now the market is medium to long term. True profit requires waiting 1 to 2 years for the project delivery. Expected returns, price increase by delivery 30%, yes, 15% per year is very logic. Rental yield per year 12% is very logic, but not 15%. Enter fast, exit fast, and no longer valid in Georgia. If you think about, I will put $15,000 and get it $30,000 in next 2 months, it's not anymore. And who should avoid investing in Georgia? Investors seeing ultra fast profit. For example, if you are seeking to enter with $20,000-$30,000 and make like $20,000 in 2 months, is not realistic. You shouldn't invest in Georgia. Number 2, investing relying solely on seasonal tourism, like resorts, skiing. It's not working because even Batumi, it has tourism all year. Yes, it has its peak for 6 months, but high prices. For the last 6 months, it's rented also, but with low price. Also, 2026 is not the best option for investors who are not calculating or analyzing resale potential, occupancy rate, or want big developer, fancy developer, but who has a lot of apartments in the building. So the developer itself will be competitor to you when it comes to resale. So smart investor strategy and the calculation, analyzing the market. This is my job as investment advisor who has been in the market for more than 14 years. So for smart investor strategy, we calculate the resale potential, occupancy rate, track the developer project history, check management and operational ease after delivery, enter with a strategy, not emotions, exit according to the plan. And Georgia is not for everyone, but it's opportunity for a smart, patient investor who knows how to take advantage and make every dollar doubles. Resale and real estate investment in Georgia still exists with high profit, and not at any price, not any project is suitable for you. We will discuss the market, we will understand your portfolio and how you want to make money and how assess risks, invest with logic and not emotions. For questions and also to analyze the market, contact for more details. Have a good day.